Hi, Nick here from Rustic Deco Incorporated to explain a couple of the features of our line of Otis table bases. I have the dining base here with me today, but all of these features are present on the conference size base as well. Located in the back of the Otis base are two locking bolts used to secure this upright. These will come locked in during shipment. To adjust the table, simply back these bolts out. Adjust the table to your desired height, and then screw these bolts back in to prevent the upright from shaking. The cogwheel located on the front of the base can be used to adjust the table up and down. Located on the underside of the T are two small bolts that are mainly used during assembly. These might become loose during transit. Just tighten those back up if necessary to secure any shaking in the top of the table. The line of Otis bases features metal casters with a locking feature. Simply insert the bolt through the wheel to lock it in place. If you have any other questions regarding our line of Otis products, just give us a call at 865-357-3876 or feel free to shoot us an email at customer.care@rusticdeco.com. Thank you.